Why do I need to change my car's oil? If it has oil in it, that's all it really needs, right? Well, not exactly. An oil change is a task many view as a chore or burden of owning a car, but while seemingly trivial, it can affect both the efficiency and life expectancy of your engine. Engines have a lot of moving parts. It's important that those moving parts don't grind against each other. By adding motor oil into the mix, you can lubricate those moving parts, carrying away dirt, dust, and other contaminants that could clog up your engine. But just like water in a mop bucket, motor oil becomes dirty and in need of a replacement over time. Most modern motor oils have a recommended replacement window between 5,000 and 8,000 miles, depending on the type of oil you use. Synthetic motor oils are known to last much longer than conventional motor oils, and certain engine types require one or the other. It's important to use the motor oil that is recommended by the manufacturer of your vehicle. Motor oil also becomes less effective as it ages. So even if you don't drive your vehicle often, it's still important to change it at certain time intervals. Most modern motor oil recommend changing at least twice a year, even if you don't hit the 5,000 mile mark. And don't wait for that oil light to come on. Some vehicles' oil light is used to indicate low oil pressure, which can be very harmful to your engine. Keeping track of your mileage is the safest way to ensure no engine damage. Our service department at Kendall is committed to making sure your car is well maintained so that you can hit the road knowing your vehicle is safe, efficient, and reliable. Kendall, let's start something great.